Hi, As-salamu alaykum. At first, I want to give you my intro. I am Abdullah Mujahid bin Walid, a professional video editor and graphics designer. You are seeing Graphics Zone. If today in this video, I will see you that how I make $1 logo for my client. My client said to me that, "Hi, I am Nasim Hossain Rifat. I want to make a logo by my name, Nasim Hossain Rifat. I watch your videos and I decide that I will make my logo by you. I will give you $1 for it." At first, we will take a logo size page for this logo. Then we will write his first name Nasim. That's N. Here we first make the middle term logo. Enjoy my video. I will come back later. And now I will try to give her age because his name is Nasim Hossain. I try to make this middle term logo nicely. Now I will give his name I because his name is Nasim Hossain Rifat. Here Rifat is called to I. Now my middle term logo making is done. The design of the logo I take from a social platform and I give here this middle term logo at the middle of this main logo. Now I import the middle term logo and then I will match the colors. Now I will write his main name Nasim Hossain Rifat. And at the below of the logo I will give the name. I will come back later. Enjoy my video. Stay linked. My $1 logo making project is done and now I will give this logo to my client. Thanks for watching. If you want to make any project by me, contact this number. See you in the next video.